how do you integrate market systems into food security initiatives, and what impact has this had on the sustainability and resilience of local farming communities?
This is a demonstration of a market system based food security system. It's very simple to us what market system is. Market system for us means teaching the farmers the basic agricultural, agronomic growing of crop. It also means taking care of the crop. It also means when the food is out of the field, they can add value, they can process it, put it in packages. It doesn't end there. They can packaging it for storage, but also packaging it for selling. Food security means they have something which they stored for themselves, but they can also buy. And so that leads to sustainability because they can buy food, but also buy inputs for the next farming season. Not only that, we also incorporate or diversify other farming systems like small livestock, goats, chicken, even cows, so that they have a diversified income as well as food sources. We also have introduced the beekeeping, which is an alternative income source, but also food. You know, the honey is good for health, and we are going to incorporate it in all so that they are able to have money. The honey have the food, but they also have the knowledge, which helps in the sustaining them, and they build their resilience as well as be able to have a secure food security system.
What do you think are the key challenges and also opportunities that you have encountered when implementing these food security programs in Zambia, and how do you think, for example, this experience in Zambia other countries can also learn from?
Thank you. I think there are few key challenges which Sub-Sahara, including Zambia and maybe other countries which are agrarian-based face. This is one, the climate change aspect of it. Two, the infrastructure in terms of roads, and the third is the market, as well as the fourth one, knowledge. And so let's start with knowledge. A lot of farmers now need quite some good knowledge to understand on how to grow food and the right crops which meet their nutritional needs as well as income needs. The second aspect, we're talking about the inputs. Okay, unless they have access to improved inputs which give them enough yields, enough good food, and which are also resilient to the kind of situation they are, drought tolerant, then they will not get enough food. And then the third one, we're talking about infrastructure. You see, like the country like Zambia is quite vast, and so the farmer may grow some food somewhere there, but then they need to bulk that, maybe to sell to an off-taker so that they have more money. The key one is the climate change. For instance, here in Zambia, instead of 4 months, we had 2 months of rains. Yes. And that has an impact on 90% of the communities who depend on farming using rainfed. And so that challenge itself means they cannot have food. And as we speak, we have been doing food aid in most of the country because over 6 million Zambians out of 20 million have been affected by the food situation, drought situation. And so opportunities which lie there, we need to do more of rain harvesting when it comes. We also need to do a lot of groundwater farming, improve our irrigation systems so that we can tap on the other micro input requirement food systems so that our farmers are able to grow. For instance, even bucket growing, sack growing everywhere so that we have enough food for our people.